How to change email address on Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to change the email address on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto settings at the bottom, just right here. Select it. Then here you can find privacy and security, just right here. Now select it. Then here you can find login email, just right here. Now tap on it. Now simply tap on to change email to change the email address. Select it. Now simply add a new email address, just like this, and tap on to continue. And after doing that, your email address will be changed. And that's it. This is how you can change email address on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.